One of the biggest challenges that a gardener would encounter is controlling pests. The more plants you have, the more they are exposed to different kinds of plant disease. We can't really avoid these things to happen. So today I'd like to share with you from my own experience how I try to control pests from spreading in my garden. By the way, my name is Filipina and welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for my future gardening tips.
Regularly check your plants. When you check, look closely. This way you'll be able to detect early signs of pest. Look at these plants. You wouldn't notice the affected area unless you check them closely.
Something is... I'm gonna put this in the shade and I'll use my alcohol to spray this. This one already. See, if a plant doesn't grow like their normal shape, there's something going on there. And see that spots? So I will put this two in the shade and I'm gonna spray it with this alcohol and quarantine.
Place your affected plants in the shaded area before spraying them with 70% ISOPROPYL alcohol to avoid damaging your plants. You should remove rot or damaged leaves caused by pests. That's why it's important if you catch it early on to avoid spreading and eventually killing your plants. Since this plant needs to be watered, first I'll rinse off the leaves with water to remove the pest. When the leaves are dry, then I'll spray them with alcohol. If the leaves and stems are already affected, you can save the plant by repotting them. To do this, take out the plant from the pot, remove the soil from the roots, and take out the affected leaves. So, okay. Now I'll throw away everything. Syempre hindi yung tanim. Yung soil niya. Kasi making sure na hindi mahawa yung ibang tanim. So, ang gagawin ko muna dito, hugasan ko muna to. Hugasan ko ng running water. Now I'm going to soak the leaves with water and a drop of liquid soap for 30 minutes.
So after 30 minutes, ayan na. I'm going to rinse this and dry this.
So I decided to cut off the roots and each stems, then plant them in separate containers to grow my collection. Here they are. So this is my quarantine area. This is where I place all my sick plants.
So this is the one that I just sprayed with alcohol. I think they look better than yesterday after washing the leaves, drying it off, and then spraying it with alcohol. That looks better.
Remember that succulent flowers are beautiful, but this can also attract pests to your plants. So watch out. And if you notice one, cut the buds immediately. be observant in your garden and look around where these pests are coming from. Like this donkey tail that was hanging in that fence that I showed you. This is the main source of the problem. So I'm going to treat these plants right away and quarantine them.
I hope this video will help you control the pests in your garden. Thank you for watching. See you next time.